everybody's feeling lucky, and as I told our in-studio audience before we started the show, I really wish my name was in this drum, because this first prize, it sounds amazing. Listen to what the first prize is. Roll the tape.
Rachael, it's a trip for four to Panama. Caravan Tours will be sending one lucky audience member on an 8-day tour of Panama, where you'll spend time in the rainforests, on the beach, and of course, at the Panama Canal. You'll even cross the Continental Divide. The trip includes all of your meals, activities, and transportation, even round-trip airfare, and is worth almost $11,000.
Do you know how bad I want to go to Panama? It looks amazing. Okay, good luck to everyone. Good luck, everybody. All right, last turn. Okay. It may be too short to reach these. Okay, and our winner is Clara Yan. Does it look like you'd like to go to Panama?
Yes, I would.
How long's it been since you've been to a beach?
Oh, it's been a couple of years now.
So I think this sounds like the perfect trip for you.
Oh.
Right?
Yes.
Joey.
Thank you.
Joey, give her her ball. She can save it. Clara, you wear your sunscreen and have fun. You hear? All right.